In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Just Eat zone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the zones in which you are able to make deliveries in on the Just Eat Courier app. All that you have to do to properly and quickly change your delivery zones on the app is to visit the Courier Help website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to courier-help.just-eat.co.uk. Alternatively, just look for the Just Eat Courier Help on Google. When you arrive at this page, under the account category, click View All to see all articles related to managing your account, and under Updating your account, you will find this option, Delivering in a New Zone. When you click this, you will see that in order for you to deliver in a new zone, you will need to complete or drop all of your scheduled delivery runs, and afterwards you need to send them an email at this address, couriers@just-eat.co.uk. This is the only way in which you will be able to choose new delivery zones, because as they state here, you are only able to pick your zones when you first register for the app. So if you have already chosen your zones, you are already making deliveries. In order to change them and add new ones if you wish, you need to contact them through this email. So go to your preferred email service and send them an email to couriers@just-eat.co.uk. On the topic, you can enter something like changing delivery zone or adding another delivery zone, and on the body or the description of the email, all that you have to do is give them all the information about your account and describe which zones you would like to have altered. As long as you do this process by sending their team an email on this address, you will be able to have your delivery zones changed on Just Eat. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Just Eat zone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.